Concession, I said, Madam, and Crawford, Metia is in Crawford, where Galamsey was Miss Winimo. So near call. Concessions, we had the Ama, Akokra, may say, and Crawford, where Galamsey was.
So is crying. And it is difficult to see a king of such stature cry. What is the issue? The issue is that the Asantehene is saying that illegal miners have encroached on his concession. Illegal miners have encroached on the concession of the Asantehene, Otumfuo himself. Just say, since NDC came to power there, people don't be respect even the highest level of authority any longer. If you so upon all the forest reserves that you guys have invaded, these NDC guys you have invaded, upon all the water bodies you guys have destroyed. Now it is a Otumfuo himself, his concession, that you people feel that you have to go and mine on. Hey, and this is for. So you people don't respect anybody for this country any longer. No respect for any authority. You have taken your nonsense to Otumfuo too. You have gone to encroach on his concession. After doing it in Obuasi, and through your recklessness, people have lost their lives. After waking up on 8th January at 2 a.m. to go and enter into a pit, and he collapsed on you people, about 5 people died on the spot. You have gone to the concession of Otumfuo also now. Muferishi, Mumbushi, na Muferishi inso. And Otumfuo was complaining to the Otumfuo was complaining to our current Minister of Lands and Natural Resources. And guess the reply of the minister. Pretty Queen, good evening. Guess the reply of the minister. Somebody should quickly guess the reply of the minister 5 seconds before I say it. When Otumfuo complained to John Mohammed's Minister of Lands and Natural Resources.
Concession, I said, Madam, and Crawford, Metia is in Crawford, where Galamsey was Miss Winimo. So near call. Concessions, we had the Ama, Akokra, may say, and Crawford, where Galamsey was.
So
now Metia no Kakas was Naya Galamsa made Miss Winimo cry.
So
Opam Woma, a Simomokwa, Opam Woma no Mokwa.
So
I was here who quite befriend in I am now would be a yai and penning for not do Moko, young Pe Womubi and so on my report.
So
and let's see woman in a
So
no, near say Minerals Commission for Survey Department for Geological Survey funds account. So I am a woman in a chair, say a honey, and a year. Ebi a had a year, a be.
So
Ye free woman small scale mining for any woman, as in a had a allocate yama. Near supervisor.
So
Then Colane good forestry near a true Mako penny way in a water man, not Mumaya.
So
He too good no so I a triaka no muswenya, now buy swenya gold to become.
So
Now see a chair woman coin a dear miner.
So
Yes, I am sure and call. Forestry and call.
So
As a cousin, a palm woman, one because and then the edge my bandy.
So
Yet, Momu who said Munjai and Nonandi, say, if you are some Mumra, near baby, near who concession, Minerals Commission phone in Baby, Geological Survey.
So
And I feel back also cover by exploration now, Motiman, and also as the Galamsey no never.
So
So Muyena ye, one shop a year near Cassette. Survey Department name Minerals Commission na Geological Yakaha Yahu said deposit never hamper.
So
here my license Nesefakwa. Then there now can say exploration there. One and a whole to two I may renew by a Galamsey.
So
Why when I'm watching one bro for then I made as Adam Huno exploration near that, near two.
Joe.
And also, you must come.
Joe.
That's we are here China and be able to the corner. Yes, so
Joe.
I should be in a dana so I'm paying for a brown or quite by forest when you in WhatsApp and prayer. I see when you mean a year surveying a geological survey for the
At least ask, where is the concession? So that maybe I send some security people there to go and sack the encroachers. Or say they have formed 18-member committee. To do what? 18-member committee to do what? At least promise a national dam committee. To do what? I don't get it. The way to fight illegal mining, it is there for all of us to see. We see, it will be a lie for ourselves or to lie to ourselves that we don't know the way to fight illegal mining. Connie's kitchen said just to chop taxpayers' money. I agree with you, Connie. We know how to fight illegal mining. Politicians know how to fight illegal mining. They know. It was for that reason that Akufo-Addo said, I'm putting my presidency on the line. Because he knew that with determination, the battle against illegal mining could be won. And in fact, Akufo-Addo did everything for that battle to be won. Just that politicians played tricks on the people. The support that was needed from the political class was not available. That is why Galamsey is still existing. Because everything that is doable humanly, Akufo-Addo has done. Drones, he has bought drones. He has trained people, river guards, forest guards, joint military police operation, involve the chiefs, youth in community mining, repurposing, reclaiming, everything possible Akufo-Addo has done. But political class, John Mahama and his friends, instead of joining in the fight as a united front, they chose votes over safeguarding our water bodies. So what is the committee for? Dr. Bawumia's 70-boat solution, how to tackle the next phase in tackling illegal mining, clearly stated there. Number one, no one should mine in forest reserves, is out of bounds. Number two, 100 meters from any river body, mining is not allowed. Number three, you bring geologists to come in, survey the grounds, look at where there are mineral deposits. So you show the people in the community that this place there is gold, this place there is no gold. So they don't go there, go into mine in the blind, try your luck. Dr. Bawumia had proposed this. The blueprint is there. Dr. Bawumia is not somebody that you will call him that, Aze, Charlie, your 70-bolt solutions, no. As he said, he talked something about mining. I beg, now how you won't do them? He will tell you. Because in Bawumia's mind and heart is always Ghana first. It is because of Ghana first that he came out less than 24 hours after polls had closed to concede defeat. So if you call such a person that, Charlie, give me the apple, he will give you the apple. He has a lot of ideas in his brain that if he wants to run 2028, he can come out with. The aspiring homemaker says Dr. Bawumia was being. Yes. So, what is the committee for? What is the committee for? To go and take tea and biscuit? To eat jollof with a grilled chicken? Or banku with grilled tilapia and pepper? Or to take slave queens to the hotels that they are going to do for committee meetings? Charlie, the research we have voted for, some of us knew it was going to be worse. It was going to be bad. But we didn't know it was going to be this bad. Frankly speaking, I knew NDC coming into office was going to be bad, like seriously bad. But never in my wildest imagination had I ever anticipated that it was going to be this bad. One day, one committee aton. It's as if all the people that your mama is appointing, they don't have a brain of their own. They have no agenda. They have no vision. So everywhere they are going, committee. No Size says, God bless you, boss. Thank you very much, No Size. We were promised Nkukobo in Kitinkiti. After voting for them, they are delivering committee in Kitinkiti. Bas, we were promised Nkukobo in Kitinkiti. Little did we know that the Nkukobo are not knowing their human beings that they were talking about a committee in Bo Kitinkiti. Ready? This is a reset, no. This is a reset, no. Reset now, and I knew. Committee born Kitinkiti. One day, one committee. One day, one committee. Today, committee on LGBTQ. Tomorrow, committee on asphalt road. The next day, committee to think about toll booth. The next day, committee to investigate whether John Mahama should be eating gari in the morning or should be eating beans in the morning. The next day, committee to investigate grandma's dressing. Then the following day, committee to look for school for Farida Mahama to go. The subsequent day, committee again. So they promised their 60 committees and 60 ministers and 1 million committee members. But unfortunately, they did not add the 1 million committee members in their manifesto. So we were only thinking about 60 ministers. Now in Ghana, if I will not lie, we have more than 3,000 committee members. Mami say grandma's shoes. Yes, committee to go and look for a suitable shoe for grandma. That is the next committee they are going to form.